Gray Solutions is all about solving complex problems for our customers in an outcome-driven way. We focus on letting curiosity to solve problems lead us to exciting solutions for our customers across a myriad of industries. Being a member of Rockwell's partner network allows us to bring that first-in-class technology to the very top tier of our customers to deliver amazing projects for them. The access that we gain as part of the network to Rockwell's best-in-class automation technology really allows us to propel our customers' businesses forward. On behalf of all of our solutioneers, we're honored to be awarded the System Integrator Partner of the Year for 2024.